Hi there, Simon, and whoever else is watching this. We're gonna make a microwave protein cake. 4-portion. So I have a microwave safe container for this. And if you want it to be 1 portion, just use 1/4 of the ingredients and just mix them in a cup. We need vegetable oil, eggs, milk, whey. This video is sponsored by... No, isn't even the container what is inside. I just reuse the container. Whey is whey, doesn't really matter much. Baking powder, and my favorite is coconut flour. Yeah, and it is all especially good because it has a lot of fibers. You could still use other flours, doesn't really matter much. But what I also like about this, it doesn't make a mess. It's not that dusty. It just doesn't go all over the place just by touching it. These are essentials, but if you want to, you could also add some butter. I normally don't, but it makes it more tasty. And this is not only for me this time, so I'm gonna use it. Additional cacao would be also nice, and this is already chocolate flavored. You could also put some sugar. Why is this optional in a cake? Because this already has some sweeteners in it, and coconut flour, also sugary a little bit. Hazelnut. Let's get started. First, let's melt this butter in a microwave. 400 watts would be fine, like 1 minute about. If you use full power, there will be butter all over in the inside of the microwave. Don't ask how I know. Yeah, I'll still add some vegetable oil. I will add 4, whatever is this. Doesn't really matter much, so just go with it. 4 tablespoons of flour. 2, 3. Nah, yeah, it is somewhat full. Baking powder. Half of a pack. Let's have some sugar too. It is 1 tablespoon. I just couldn't fill it all the way. And cacao, 1 tablespoon would be good. My tablespoons, however, are quite filled, so I'm gonna add some hazelnut milk. 1 glass of milk. I will rinse this because this is gonna be useful. 4 eggs. Sorry for turning my back. I suck at breaking them. So 4 eggs. Then I wash my hands. Okay, we are done, I guess. I will mix it. So I have a mixer here. Hey, mix it by hand for a moment. Now good. If it was a normal flour, it would go all over the place. Coconut, man, it's so underrated. Okay. Why do I look like I am doing this first time? Sorry. So this glass will be useful to just put it. Sorry about this, yeah. Put it right in the middle because the center part doesn't cook very well. And it is especially true with the microwaves. Put it in the middle. And yeah, let's put it when it's. My microwave is 100 watts, and this will take 6 minutes to cook, or maybe more. If you just gonna make this in a cup, 1.5 minutes will be okay, but only if it's your microwave is 100 watts. After it's done, keep it inside like 5 minutes. Don't close before it cools down. And hey, it's ready to go. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like and stuff. Don't. Please. And please, if you were to watch my other YouTube videos, I'm sorry they are cringe, and this video is also cringe, but hey, that's... Bye.